welcome back to another video. Today we have new tools, impact wrenches, high torque, mid torque impact wrenches, 20 volt Hercules coming to a Harbor Freight nearby. Yes, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, big shout out to John McQuincy. He's helping out the channel, bringing new information in. He has a source where he's getting all this information. We went to this job site blower, Hercules 20 volt, here on their website at harborfreight.com, and you skim through the pictures until you see this picture, and then you can look at the tools. Basically, you got the vacuum that just came out, you got the lights, you got the fan, you got a light. Here we got looks like a radio, maybe a job site speaker. Here we got a dual port charger, a single port charger, and here we got the big battery. Maybe it's an 8 amp hour battery, as you guys see there. We got the table saw on the back. We got a sander. It is a corded version. We got two corded sanders, a circular saw. We got the oscillating tool that just barely came out. Both of these. You got the, it looks like a screwdriver, 12 volts, and then a drill. And then you got the drills, the 20 volt drills, the hammer drills that we already have. The regular drills and the hammer drills. This one's 12 volts. And then we got the job site blower, and then another smaller vacuum there. And then we got three different circular or reciprocating saws. We got an angle grinder. Alright, let's look at the other side. Now here is where it becomes interesting, because here are where we're seeing some more new tools. You guys look from the top, we got the chop saw here that just barely came out, or is going to come out. I forgot if it's already out. And then we got the band saw. Obviously we got the right angle here. We got a 12 volt impact. You got the ratchets that just barely came out. You got the extended ratchets here. And if you guys look closely here to the left, this looks like a 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench. If you guys see it closely, you can tell the big old head of the motor compartment versus the battery size. Obviously, it's going to be a high torque impact wrench for the Hercules 20 volt line. Right next to it, we see maybe a mid torque 1/2 inch and maybe a 3/8. So something to keep in mind. We might see them this coming month, who knows, but we're seeing these come out already, so I am thinking that this will be out soon. Hopefully if I know exactly what date or when it's released, I'll let you guys know. But this is something definitely worth to look at, and that's it. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next.